Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my hair's like sticking at the top. Welcome back to Journeys with Chris. Today I'm going to do like a simple quick little tutorial because I actually just thought about it. Like, I've washed my hair, I blow dried, and then I was just like, oh my god, maybe I should record this. Maybe someone is gonna find this useful. I'm getting ready to do jumbo like a bob length jumbo braids on myself. I'm traveling over the next few months. It's hot as freaking heck outside. Oh my god. It's like 100 degrees and I just don't have time. So all I did was, I miss you guys, I miss recording, but here we are, right? Here we are with a new video. All I did was blow dry my hair, moisturized it. There you go. Actually, this is leave-in. I usually do like leave-in conditioner, and I add all like my oils in there. Castor oil, argan oil, jojoba, what the heck, whatever oil. And then I just put that all in this little spray thing and I spray my hair. And again, I had to stretch out my hair just to make the process super easy. And then I locked in the moisture with the olive oil. And I also really like this because like throughout, even though my hair is going to be in braids, I'm going to be able to moisturize my hair as we go. My biggest issue has been moisturizing my hair, and I'm trying to get a hold of that. Guys, I don't really want to show you guys my end, but baby girl, it looks crazy. So what I usually do is just like, I just section off my hair just to make the process easier, or tell myself that it's going to go really quick. But it should go really quick. I'm giving myself 4 hours because I'm doing jumbo braid, literally the normal size of my hair, right? Not the normal size because it's not abnormal. Anyways guys, so here we go. All you need is definitely Kanekalon from just the store, the beauty supply. This goes for $2 a pack. I bought 17 packs because originally I was going to do like super long braids for my trip to Egypt, but I've definitely changed my mind. I'm gonna go with short because what the heck, I don't have time. And all you also need is a parting comb. Where's my comb?
You to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, cause I know then you'll see you can be true, you can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love.
Guys, I have finally finished braiding my hair. So I put it in hot water, so I'm just gonna cut the ends now. This is what the finished product looks like. Oh, some pieces are coming apart. Some pieces need to be rebraided. Actually, not pieces, but like this one needs to be rebraided. But I am done now. Guys, I have finished my hair. I am so freaking happy with how it turned out. It's so kind of nice. So it took me, I keep looking to the side because I can see myself, which is like a bad habit. But it took me 7.5 hours. This is the finished product. I kind of didn't take my edges because they're in recovery right now. This is what it looks like. Let me just show you guys in the back so you can see. I'm so happy with how it turns out. Yeah, this is my summer bob braids situation. I hope you guys like this. I hope it was helpful. If you liked the video, give this a thumbs up. If you didn't, give this a thumbs up again. Yeah, I had so much fun filming this. I tried to find cool videos that I really want to film, and I do it.
J'fais la malade dans les nanas, pour me le danse comme un moulova, monument comme papa Wemba.
Pour les riches maisons ça fait comme pour Loulou. T'as reconnu la CB c'est lourd. Genre de te faire requin.